Hello, dear children. Welcome to all in St. JBS online classes. This is Utkarsh Khare. Today, I have brought a very interesting chapter for all of you in subject mathematics. Dear students, our today's topic is addition of three-digit numbers with carrying. So, dear students, before proceeding further, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, first you have to subscribe it, press bell icon for the latest notification and like the videos, share it among your friends. Now, dear students, let's enter in the class. Dear students, as you know, we are learning the addition from our previous classes. And on the previous chapter, Madam has already taught you the three-digit simple addition. But in this chapter, I will teach you three-digit addition with carrying. So, dear students, I have given a one sum to all of you. That is, you can see it here. This is 255 plus 276. Now, dear students, we will learn how to add the sums in a very interesting way where the carry sums will not be a burden for you. The carry sum will be make your interest much in the sum. So I hope you will take interest and you will enjoy the carry sums of additions with me. Now let's move to the sum. Dear students, as you know, first we have to write the numbers in a proper column. How to write? You can see the number which I got in the sum, that was 255 and 267. So we have to write the number in a correct column form, like 2 should be under the 100 and 5 should be under the tens and 0 should be under the ones. Same way as here, 2 should be under the 100, 5 should be under the tens and 7 should be under the ones. Now we have to start addition forms. Dear students, as you know, our addition is always start from the right hand side. Right hand side means from the one side. So, dear students, we will start counting. Here is how many ones? 5 ones, and here is 7 ones. First, we will add both ones, 5 ones plus 7 ones. Now we have to set some square boxes for you. This will help to easy to count. You can also make with the help of piece of paper or piece of sharp cardboard. You can make it and you can do it. Otherwise, any object you can keep and do the addition. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones plus how many? 7. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see in the first slide the 5 squares are there. Here is what was 7. So after calculation we got a 12. But here we got a 12, that is 2-digit number. But how to write? In this 12, this 1 is a tens one and this 2 is a ones. The number which is at the right side, that is the ones number. So we have always write to the ones number. Now we have to write. Very good. We got what we got? We got 2 ones is here and 1 tens as a carry. You can also see this, the 1 bar of the tens. This is a single tens, that is a carry one, and after that 2 ones was left, that I have written here. I hope is it clear. Once more I am showing, this is a tens box which I have taken as a carry, and these 2 ones was left when we have add these numbers. This was a 2. I hope this much is clear. Now we will add the 1 tens, 5 tens plus 6 tens. Now let's move. Students, here you can see that I have put a 5 tenses bars in one side, then after that 6, then plus 1. You can see this one is carry 1, this 5, and this is the 6. So we have to start it counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, some more are there: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this one is the carry one. So after 11, one more is there. So how much we got? We got 12. What we got? 12. Once again we got 2-digit numbers. So what to do? This number, the number which is at the right side, we have to write here, and this number should be as a carry one. Now let's see how to write. Wow, this is a way to write the correct number. This we have got 12, that's why 2 should be here, and this one as a carry one. You can see here these 10 tens we are having. 10 tens where you have got, when we add these tenses, we got result as a 12. What we got? We got as a 12. So these 12 means 10 tenses. From there we have to segregate it, and these 10 tenses make a 100. How many 100? 100. This 100 is the carry forms. Now we have to add it. 1 plus 2 plus 2. Now let's see, students, we have to see what should be there. You see, here we have 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. What answer we got? 522. So we had both the numbers. Now dear students, we will add a sum 259 and 555. Dear students, the previous sum we have solved with the help of activity. This you take too much interest. Now one more sum is here, so we will solve it with the direct help, with the take the help of fingers. Otherwise you can draw the lines and you can do it. So we are doing this sum with the help of lines. After 9, 9 ones is here, plus 5 ones is here. So after 9 plus 5, you don't know. After 9 we will put 5 lines. Immediately count it: 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We got two numbers 14. So right side number 4 is here. We have to write 4, and this one should be carry here. 5 plus 5, 10 you know, and 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 should be here and 1 should be carry here. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. We got the answer 814. So let's take one more example. This is the sum. You can see here is the 643 plus 167. We will add 3 ones plus 7 ones. So how many ones will be there? After 3 we will draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we will count it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we got? We got 10. That means what? The number at the right side, the number of the right side is 0. So we have to write 0 here. And we will carry this number. 1 is here. You can see this one should be as a carry. So now we will add 4 plus 6. What to do? We have to draw 6 lines. 4 we already know because we need to count after 4. So that's why we are not drawing both the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lines you have drawn. So now we will start counting after 4. Start 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and plus 1 carry. So 1 carry means 10 plus 1, 11. So we have to write this right side number here, and this number 1 should be carry. So what to get? We will get 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. We got the answer 810. I hope is it clear to all. But now let's take one more examples. Dear students, this is a sum where we add 567 plus 378. Now dear students, we start count addition from the one side. 7 ones plus 8 ones. So after 7 we know. After 7 we need how many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We got 2-digit number 15. This 5 should be at a ones place right number and 1 should be carry here. Got it? Now let's take another count. Here is the 6 tens plus 7 tens. After 6, 7 is written. So we will draw the 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And plus 1 is carry. So count it. We will count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 1 is this carry 1. So total should be as a 14. In place of 14 we have to write 4 should be here and 1 should be carry. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So what answer we got? We got 945. I hope you have understood the carry sum of 3-digit additions very properly. In the next video of this addition of 3-digit with carrying, I will bring some more and interesting examples for you with the word problem. I will meet you in next math class. Thank you so much. Bye bye dear students.